In vulnerability lies the seed of strength. Greetings, seekers of strength. Today, we're on a mission to unravel the 7 habits that might be stealthily sapping your power. Picture these habits as little strength thieves in disguise. But fear not, brave soul, for in this video, we're going to expose their cunning ways and arm you with the tools to reclaim your might. Get ready for a journey of revelation, transformation, and a sprinkle of empowerment magic. Let's begin, shall we? Habit number 1, procrastination. Procrastination has the potential to significantly weaken individuals across various aspects of their lives. Firstly, it substantially diminishes productivity by causing delays and incomplete tasks, resulting in a lower overall output. This decrease in productivity is not only a practical setback, but also contributes to increased stress levels as deadlines draw near, creating a pervasive sense of pressure and urgency. Secondly, procrastination can have a detrimental impact on the quality of work. When tasks are rushed due to last-minute efforts, the outcome often falls short of the individual's potential, compromising the standard of their professional or personal achievements. This not only reflects negatively on the immediate task at hand, but can also erode self-confidence as individuals assess their capabilities in meeting their own goals. Furthermore, procrastination may lead to missed opportunities and strained relationships. Failure to meet deadlines or fulfill commitments in a timely manner can result in lost chances both personally and professionally. Moreover, the strain on relationships arises when others are affected by the procrastinator's delays, leading to potential trust issues and a breakdown in effective communication. Ultimately, addressing the habit of procrastination is vital for personal growth, maintaining quality work standards, and fostering healthy relationships. Habit number 2, avoiding challenges. Avoiding challenges can have a profound impact on personal development, leading to stagnation and missed opportunities. Challenges are not merely obstacles but serve as catalysts for growth. By sidestepping these challenges, individuals may find themselves stuck in a static state, missing out on the chance to evolve and unlock their full potential. The refusal to confront challenges denies individuals the transformative experiences that contribute to a more enriched and fulfilling life. Moreover, avoiding challenges can result in a lack of resilience. Resilience is built through overcoming adversity, and when individuals consistently steer clear of challenges, they miss the chance to develop the coping mechanisms necessary for navigating life's inevitable ups and downs. The ability to bounce back from setbacks and face difficulties head-on is a crucial aspect of emotional and mental well-being. Without these experiences, individuals may find themselves ill-equipped to cope with the complexities and uncertainties that life presents. Furthermore, a continuous aversion to challenges can lead to a limited skill set, particularly in problem solving. Confronting challenges fosters the development of critical thinking and creative solutions. By avoiding challenges, individuals may not fully realize their problem-solving potential, hindering their ability to navigate complex situations effectively. Embracing challenges, on the other hand, not only enhances problem-solving skills, but also promotes adaptability and a proactive approach to life's complexities. Habit number 3, lack of boundaries. The absence of clear boundaries has multifaceted implications that can significantly weaken individuals across various dimensions of their lives. Firstly, a lack of boundaries often leads to heightened stress levels and an increased risk of burnout. Without delineating clear lines between work and personal life, individuals may find themselves overwhelmed by an unrelenting workload and constant pressure, compromising both their mental and physical well-being. Secondly, the impact extends to relationships, both personal and professional. The failure to establish and communicate personal boundaries can strain interactions with others. This may result in misunderstandings, conflicts, and a pervasive sense of being taken advantage of, ultimately diminishing the quality and sustainability of relationships. The blurred lines can create an environment where the individual's needs and limits are not respected, contributing to a breakdown in communication and mutual understanding. Furthermore, a lack of boundaries can detrimentally affect an individual's self-care practices. When personal needs take a back seat to the demands of others, physical and emotional exhaustion may ensue. The neglect of self-care not only undermines overall well-being, but also hampers productivity. The constant violation of personal boundaries can contribute to increased stress and anxiety, potentially leading to a decline in mental health. Establishing and maintaining healthy boundaries is, therefore, crucial for individuals to navigate life with resilience, foster positive relationships, and sustain their physical and mental vitality. Habit number 4. Dependency on others' approval. Dependence on the approval of others introduces vulnerabilities that can significantly weaken individuals on various fronts. Firstly, it often results in a compromised sense of self-worth. When self-esteem is predominantly tied to external validation, individuals become susceptible to fluctuations based on others' opinions. The fragility of this self-worth can lead to a constant quest for approval, creating a perpetual cycle of seeking validation to maintain a positive self-image. Secondly, the over-reliance on others' approval diminishes independence and stifles personal growth. The fear of disapproval may lead individuals to conform rather than express their authentic selves. This conformity hampers the development of an independent identity and may limit the pursuit of goals or aspirations that deviate from societal or peer expectations. Furthermore, dependency on external approval fosters emotional vulnerability. The anxiety and stress associated with seeking constant validation can negatively impact mental well-being. The fear of rejection or criticism can become a pervasive force, inhibiting individuals from expressing creativity, taking calculated risks, and embracing the uncertainties inherent in personal and professional development. Ultimately, fostering a more internally validated sense of worth and embracing authenticity are essential for individuals to break free from the constraints imposed by a continual reliance on others' approval. Habit number 5. Comparison to others. Frequent comparison to others has a pervasive impact on individuals, particularly in the realm of self-worth. The relentless scrutiny of one's own achievements and attributes in comparison to others often results in undermined self-esteem. This perpetual measuring up can foster a sense of inadequacy as individuals dwell on perceived shortcomings and flaws, creating a detrimental cycle of self-doubt that erodes their confidence over time. Moreover, the culture of comparison tends to foster unhealthy competition. Rather than pursuing personal growth and fulfillment, individuals may become entangled in a race to outdo others. This competitive mindset not only impedes collaboration, but can also create a hostile environment where success is measured not by individual progress, but by one's ability to surpass others, potentially fostering resentment and strained interpersonal dynamics. The continuous act of comparing oneself to others also has the adverse effect of limiting individual potential. The pressure to conform to societal or peer standards can stifle the exploration of unique strengths and interests. This conformity may result in a suppression of individuality, preventing the full realization of personal potential beyond the confines of external benchmarks. Breaking free from the shackles of constant comparison is essential for fostering personal growth, embracing individual potential, and cultivating a healthier sense of self. Habit number 6. Fear of failure. The fear of failure manifests in ways that significantly weaken individuals across multiple dimensions. Firstly, it tends to instigate a pervasive aversion to risk-taking. Individuals gripped by the fear of failure often shy away from venturing beyond their comfort zones, leading to a stagnation in both personal and professional spheres. This hesitancy to embrace new challenges and opportunities hinders innovation and obstructs the path to realizing one's full potential. In addition to stifling growth, the fear of failure has a profound impact on confidence. The perpetual worry about not meeting expectations or making mistakes contributes to a negative self-perception, eroding self-confidence over time. This lack of confidence can be a self-fulfilling prophecy, as individuals may become hesitant to pursue ambitious goals or to tackle challenges head-on, fearing they might fall short. Furthermore, the fear of failure exacts a toll on mental health. The constant dread of potential setbacks can lead to heightened stress and anxiety, and in some cases, feelings of inadequacy. This mental burden not only affects overall well-being, but also impairs an individual's ability to cope with challenges effectively. Conquering the fear of failure involves reframing it as a natural part of the learning process, an essential component of growth, and an opportunity to cultivate resilience for long-term success. Habit number 7, ignoring emotional intelligence. Neglecting emotional intelligence can significantly weaken individuals across various aspects of their personal and professional lives. Firstly, in interpersonal relationships, the absence of emotional intelligence impedes the ability to understand and navigate emotions effectively. This deficiency can strain connections with others, as the lack of empathy and inadequate communication diminishes the quality of interactions, making it challenging to form and maintain positive relationships. Secondly, ignoring emotional intelligence hampers conflict resolution skills. Constructive resolution of disagreements often relies on the ability to recognize and manage emotions. Without emotional intelligence, conflicts may escalate, leading to tension and preventing the development of mutually beneficial solutions. In professional settings, this can have a detrimental impact on team dynamics, hindering collaboration and reducing overall team productivity. Moreover, the repercussions extend to individual well-being. Ignoring emotional intelligence contributes to stress and burnout, as the inability to manage and regulate emotions may lead to heightened stress levels, impacting both mental and physical health. Additionally, a deficiency in emotional intelligence limits self-awareness, hindering personal development and impeding the ability to adapt to challenges. Overall, recognizing and nurturing emotional intelligence is essential for fostering positive relationships, effective conflict resolution, and maintaining a resilient and well-balanced life. Conclusion. As we conclude our exploration of the 7 habits that can subtly undermine our strength, remember that awareness is the first step toward transformation. Recognizing these habits allows us to reclaim our power and reshape our journey towards resilience and success. By breaking free from these subtle constraints, you pave the way for personal growth and empowerment. Embrace the opportunity to replace these habits with ones that fortify your spirit and propel you forward on the path to becoming the best version of yourself. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening adventure, and may your newfound awareness be the catalyst for a stronger, more resilient you. Until next time, stay empowered